This is developer dude, and in this video we are going to create header. In the last video we have created just a title, but in this video we are going to create the header of this Zomato website. So first we will open the file, the project file. So here is the file zomato.html. This is our project file and it's open here. In the last video we just had changed this title and the icon of the website, but in this video we are going to create this header, this full header of the website, of this website. So let's get started. First we create a header tag, now a div with class of class name nav. So we are just creating the navigation here. So another div we will create here, and an h4 heading. Write down get the app. This is just like this one, get the app. So now we are going to create this one, navigation. So I refresh this page and it's here. Now write down the codes for another div. Now create another div, class name nav bar. Wait, this should be not a div, but this is an order list, so this should be ul and this. Okay, now we have to create list items in it, so li, just write down add restaurant. I'm not using shortcuts because I'm starting from basics to show you. That's why I'm not using such shortcuts. Okay, control C and refresh it. So here are these navigation. These. Okay, so now we are writing HTML code. After writing HTML code of header, we will write code of CSS and create a CSS file. So after this, create another div with class name logo. Not a class name logo, this should be head because we are creating a head. So now we will add here an image. Okay, so this should be a class name logo because we will add logo of Zomato here, and remove this L tag. I'm not gonna put now. So this image of Zomato is written here. This is an image, so I have a link of this Zomato logo. So just copy it, Control C, and in quotes, just put it, paste it here, and Control save. So this is a white logo image, so might be it will not show you on the screen. So it's not showing. Just put them. Okay. So now we will create this line. Discover the best food and all. So now we will write code for this. Discover the best food and drinks in Okay, so we have written this. Now create another div to create a search option. So class name should be search, simply to identify them. In this div we will create this section of this site, this one. So write down in P the address YWCA 1 Ashoka Road. So this is nothing, just the address which is shown here, so we are writing it in CSS we will design it. Okay, and now we will create an input, type it text and the placeholder was search for restaurant, cuisine, and or artist. So we are going to write this in placeholder. Okay. Search for restaurant, cuisine, or artist. Control save and Control R for refresh. So here's the title, here's that, and the search icon. Now the main important thing in this picture, create a background image, we are putting it as an image. So just this one. Okay. Fine. Create another div and give class name header image and put the shows of this image removal tag, but while creating original sidex. So here's the link of background image. Control C and put it and paste it here. I always says put it, but paste it here. Okay. Now Control save. Control R. Now this is the image here, and this is all. This is your website without CSS. So now you're wondering that where are these icons? So these icons we can find on Font Awesome website. So search for the icon Font Awesome site. Search map marker. This one. Copy the HTML from here and paste it just above the address we have written. Now this search icon. Search icon. This is the icon here. Uploading depth star bands. Okay. Wait. Copy the HTML and paste it just above the input tag. Control save, Alt tab here, just refresh. Oh, this is already inside, this is our project. Control R, and it's not showing here because we haven't added the CDN link in our HTML. We have to first link it here. So just create a link tag. The CDN and the link tag is here, Font Awesome CDN. So just copy and paste. You will get it on Google easily. You can find it. Just write, copy, paste, Control save, and now Control R. So here are the icons. It's not looking like this, but now we have to create CSS file. Now we'll create our CSS file. New file, save as it. Come on. Zomato.css. First write down body and the margin should be 0 and padding 0, text decoration. Okay, so now save it and Alt tab, refresh it. It will not show any effect because we haven't added it in our HTML. So now we have to add it. Just right link, will styles it, and in this we have to write the location of the file. So just /zomato.css. Control save. Now Control R. Now you can see the change. Nothing changed, just a margin and padding becomes 0. Now the header tag, we will design header tag in CSS. Width should be 100% and the height of the header is 70 bh. Height is to be 60 bh 60 page. Overflow hidden. Position relative and object fit. Color. Okay. This is for header and this is for that bigger image, header image, that big one image. Position should be absolute. Top minus 20 VH. Z index -1. Control C, Alt Tab, Control R. So as that image overflow is hidden, so it's not coming out here. Now we have to set them. These all things. This is it should be 70 VH. This is good. So now we are going to take this nav. So take our nav class .nav display flex. Control save, Alt Tab, Control R. This goes to there. List style. Justify content space between. Color white. Font size 1 EM. Font family word. Control says Control R, and they are here. Get the app and add restaurant, login, sign up. Okay. Now sorry, this was the class. Wait. This is the class nav, which is division, and this is all division. Sorry, so delete this one from here because this code is useless in it. Now we work on it. Oh, come on, what's happening here? It's not okay. Now we are going to work on them, especially for them in CSS. Write down their class name, navbar display flex. Control save, Alt Tab, Control R. Now they are in same line. Okay. Now navbar, and this is list item. So now we will focus on list items. Resolution navbar li. Okay. Now font size should be 1 EM and font family Retina and font weight. I can't really change. It means lighter. Okay. Just put lighter. Padding left 30 pixels. Control save. Control R. So now they are good. But this is a list. Oh my god, list style. No. Control save, Control R. Now it's all gone. Why the hell this is not here? Okay, we haven't created the margin of this. So in that class, write down margin 1 VH and 10. Okay, now the perfect same as the original one. Now head. Now the class head have logo. This time head. Dot head. White display. Flex. And the flex direction. Column. Justify content. Center as usual. margin top 7 ph, align items center. Okay. Control save, Control R. Now this is white code. Now on Zomato logo with 20. Okay, same as this one. This will head. Now head has rediscovered this. Now we will design this. So dot head h3 font size 2.1 m, color white, and font size, font weight lighter, font family. Well, Control save or Control R. This is same as this one. Now we will design this. Class name was search, and we will focus on input. No. First we will focus on only search class. First, on display flags. So they come in the same line. Display flags. Width is to be 55. Align items center. Justify content. Flex start. And border radius 10 pixels. Background color should be white, same as the original website. We are just copying it, so padding 5 pixels and 0. Control save, Control R. So this is now we will design inside of it. Come on. Now focus on input section. So search input, outline, none, border, none, and width of the input is 50%. Padding, oh shit, this should be the left one, not on top. 10 pixels, and font size 15 pixels. Control save, Control R. It's something looking like the original one. Font family. I'm not importing any font, just saving your time. But we don't need any font family, so just remove this line. Okay. Now focus on dot search P. This is where is the search class? This is search class and P, so we are focusing on the address. Color white. Color white. Not white. Gray. And border white. 1 pixel solid gray. Font family border. And the font size should be 15 pixels because we have 15 pixels in search input, so font size 15 pixels. And the padding right 10 pixels. Control save, Control O, because we are the same. Now we will focus on marks which we have imported from Font Awesome. So dot search the first child means the map marker. Map marker font size 20 pixels and the color RGB 252 119 119. Control save or J, Control R. So it's here. Now padding left 10 pixels and padding right 10 pixels. It could be done in just a single code only in padding, but I'm doing this padding left, padding right. So Control Save, Tab, Control R. Here it is. Now focus on this one, the last icon. Dot search color gray and padding left 10 pixels. Control Save, Control R, and now here it is. This is same as the original site. This is the original. This is our design site. Original one, our design site. So thanks for watching this video, and the other videos will continue in parts. So if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, subscribe, press the button, and in next video we will create this section. Goodbye.